People talk a lot about tipping points. Now, what is a tipping point? Is 3 Katrinas in 5 years for the US a tipping point for a serious, down-to-earth SRM deployable research program? Is that a social or political tipping point? We don't know what social construction, what situation causes a nation, a people, or a region to reach the decision, well, we have the right to change the global climate on our behalf with detrimental effects for other people, which may then trigger a military counter effect. We don't know this. We have to think harder about it. What could that be? The most likely tipping points for serious deployable research or application programs of SRM, they are social and political and less physical. There is indication, for example, that in the Russian discourse in the 2000s, when there were big droughts in Russia, there was nationalistic talk that this drought was an effect of deliberate manipulation by other nations which emitted CO2, right? Was that a majority position in the Russian debate? No, it wasn't, right? But would you rest assured that someone like Marine Le Pen, National Front leader in France, France has a well and ongoing nuclear program which emits very few CO2. So France considers itself a green nation, if you will. Well, if you had a drought like 2003, where quite a few French people died, every other year for 10 years, what would that do to the arguments and the perception of the global climate change system?